Hello everyone. In today's video, I will review AVEVA SCADA and HMI software. AVEVA has four primary software. First one is called AVEVA System Platform, formerly called Wonderware System Platform. For example, Wonderware System Platform version 2012, 2014, 2018. Second one is called AVEVA Plant SCADA form. Formerly it's called SCADA version 2015, 16, and 18. Third one is called AVEVA InTouch HMI is classic. We often use InTouch, Wonderful InTouch version 10.5. Fourth one is called AVEVA Edge, formerly is LindaSoft Web Studio. LindaSoft Web Studio we use its version 8.2. Okay, each tells two different SCADA operation from small device to the large enterprise level system. Okay, first one, AVEVA System Platform is for enterprise level SCADA. It's high SCADA and use an object-oriented architecture. ArchSA, okay, best for the large SCADA plant. Also, we use classic database, similar is Wonderful System Platform. You can manage thousands of systems from a single location. Here is AVEVA System Platform 2023 R2 navigation. You can click this one. You can find the software is installation in my video. Okay. Installation. Second one is AVEVA Plant SCADA. Is a highly performance SCADA specific designed for industrial process. It's best for medium to large industrial plants, manufacture, mining, water, waste water. Okay, is strong run density capability. You can click here. You can find is AVEVA Plant SCADA 2023 installation. Okay. Third one is AVEVA InTouch HMI. This software is the most widely used software for process visualization. Okay. You can use this software as a standalone application on the Windows Linux system platform. It's best for machine level monitoring and single station HMI. You can click here. You can find this software. Installation. Look, AVEVA InTouch HMI 2023. Okay. AVEVA InTouch HMI 2023. Fourth one is the AVEVA Edge. It's a small footprint, lightweight SCADA HMI software. It's run on low power hardware. Okay, it's OEM machine build. It's AVEVA Edge and EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert. It's the same software's engine. They share the Linda software DNA. Okay, you can click here. You can find EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert 2023.1 is the installation. Okay, that's it. All the software is have different scale and target. Is a system platform, is enterprise, is thousands of tech. Okay, Plant SCADA is plant wide, is for complex process control. InTouch HMI is station control, is operator visualization, is AVEVA Edge, is machine IoT, small system. Okay, that's it. Maybe you wonder where we can download this software. You can go to AVEVA community support. First, you should register AVEVA community. Then go to AVEVA support. In here, you can type what kind of software you want to use. Then click. You can find all these four software is very new version. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.